Hi friends, Simon here from InformedTrades.com. On the screen right now you're seeing a chart of crude oil, WTI crude. We can see that price is basically at the 50 simple moving average. 50-day simple moving average, which is currently at 45. Price is at 45.69. So price is basically there. This is basically at the level I bought at way back, right around here I'd say. Actually, somewhere around here. It was a while ago. I think it was July or so. Actually, maybe even earlier, maybe in April. Anyway, earlier this year, I bought at basically this level. I still think it's a good level to buy at. However, I would also have some capital ready for anyone who does put on a position at 37, 38, right around here, the lows that were put in late August. And if we zoom out to the weekly chart, we can see there was real lows at right around here. That's also 37, I guess. The low 30s, 37, maybe even a little lower. We did get down to 33 back in 2009. So the mid 30s, I think that's the sweet spot. That's where I'm saving some capital. I did enter at 45, so I think this is a good level to add at. Get an initial position and save some to add if the price falls into the mid 30s. In terms of price targets, for fundamental reasons, I think the cost of oil now, extracting a barrel of oil is, around 90, conservative estimate. I do think price could find its way back up to 107. That's sort of the way I'm looking at it. Looking at the euro, so another pair I think is interesting, or a currency asset that I think is interesting. Excuse me. The euro, let's switch back to the daily time frame, is very close to having a golden cross formation, which is when the 50 simple moving average crosses above the 200. We see also there's a channel within a channel here. Here's the larger channel, which goes back to March of 2015. And then here's a channel within, which started in July of 2015. And that channel within, we're near the bottom of it, and we're also near the 50 simple moving average, and we're also, because we're having a golden cross, or about to have a golden cross, we're near the 200 exponential moving average. So really, I think this is a situation that's primed for a move upwards, a bounce off this channel, a bounce off the 50 simple moving average, and perhaps if the golden cross formation completes, price heading much higher, maybe hitting the top of this larger trend line at 118 at least. That sets up some good trade opportunities. You can put a stop at 111.77, about 150 pips south. If you target 118, that gives you're targeting 400, so that's over to almost 3, a little under 3 reward to risk ratio. Pretty good if you look at the dollar index, which is largely based on the euro, but here we can clearly see the dollar is in a pattern of lower highs, which suggests dollar weakness, and that plays into euro US dollar. Here, if we're seeing dollar weakness, we would expect euro US dollar to rise. We've definitely seen that pattern of higher lows going back to March. So I think a potential interesting trade opportunity here. I'm holding off on this one, but definitely something I'll keep an eye out on. Lastly, Treasuries, I do think it's worth noting that we're still at this major resistance level here, this red region here. That was established, here. December 2014, market bounced off of it. March 2015, the market bounced off of it. And then here again, May of 2015, almost June, the market bounced off it. So it's been well established as a level the market pivots from. We did rally into it, so does that mean the market will decline? Potentially. We do have the 50 simple moving average and 200 exponential moving average right here. To me, the situation is a bit more murky. We have a pattern of lower highs as well as a pattern of higher lows. We have the 50 simple moving average and 200 exponential moving average right here. A lot of confluence right here, so I would expect a breakout of some kind. I don't think the direction is totally clear yet. If I was absolutely forced to speculate, I would speculate to the downside. But this is the kind of situation where I think it's interesting to observe, but worth holding off on. That's about it. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us at InformedTrades.com, where we have a free archive of learning information. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like it on YouTube, share it on Facebook, Google+. That helps us grow and make more videos. Best of luck in your trading and investing. We'll see you next time. Take care.